Welcome to this data logger tutorial. I will present a functional overview of FLEETlog2 data logger. This instrument is used in a large range of applications in the automotive and non-automotive industry, for example in the off-highway and agricultural sector. In this presentation we will cover applications and the capabilities of the data logger. You will also get a detailed product overview with the key facts, the measurement inputs, different protocols, and the communication interfaces. When we put FLEETlog2, for example, in the context of the automotive industry, you can cover applications like engine thermal management, HVAC validation, powertrain development, endurance testing, ECU validation, and a lot more. The capabilities of the logger are to perform measurements on the CAN bus signals and CAN traffic, and to record data from ECUs with protocols like CCP, XCP, OBD, GMLAN, and a lot more. You can add a large number of analog inputs, for example for volt, temperature, strain gauge, and pulse measurement, to your setup. To record geographic data, you can directly interface a GPS receiver. And with the USB camera, you can record videos and snapshot pictures synchronously to all the other data streams. Apart from taking and logging data, the device is supporting additional functions for configuration and retrieving the data. With IP Motion, you can easily configure the logger through a point-and-click software interface. Over LAN, you can download data from the logger and stream live data over XCP on Ethernet to many software packages. With the USB thumb drive, you can automatically download storage data and update the measurement configuration. And with the Wi-Fi and modem interface, you can transfer data and configurations from and to the logger from an FTP server over the air wherever your logger is located. The main features can be summarized as: the unit supports 4 isolated CAN interfaces with Wagon CAN to start automatically logging when CAN traffic is received. With the inbuilt GPS receiver, you can record the GPS position. The device is supporting an extended temperature range in a compact and ruggedized housing. The 4 digital I/Os can be used for external trigger signals. You can store up to 30 GB of data on a removable CF card. The integrated 3G modem and the Wi-Fi interface are supporting wireless data transfer from anywhere in the world. Over the LAN and USB interface, you can perform device configuration and retrieve storage data. And you can stream live data to IP Motion and other third-party software packages like Inca, Canabe, and so on. Now we will cover the front view. You have got 5 important status LED. The power LED, the run LED, the error LED, a Wi-Fi status LED, and the modem LEDs. They are indicating the overall health status of the device. Behind the front flap, you can access the USB interface to download data or to update the measurement configuration. Then you have got a SIM card slot to drive your modem, and a slot for the CF card for replacement or upgrade. Now I will present the interfaces of the rear side of FLEETlog2 in detail. On the top right corner we have the power input ranging from 9 to 36 volt DC. The 4 CAN interfaces supporting CAN DBC and XML file imports, AUTOSAR description file imports, and protocols like XCP, CCP, KWP, OBD, Diagnostics, UDS, GMLAN, J1939. You can also perform CAN traffic measurements with filter functions and CAN traffic sending functions. Then we have 2 digital inputs and outputs to trigger the logger from external sources, or the logger can trigger external devices. Here you have the interfaces for your antennas for GPS, Wi-Fi, and modem. The Wi-Fi and modem interfaces are ideal to download the data from the logger over the air. With the Ethernet interface, you can connect the logger to the PC. With IP Motion, you can configure the logger with the point-and-click software. And over the XCP on Ethernet protocol, you can stream live data to the PC software. On the view interface, you can connect external displays like our MView Fleet. On this CAN interface, you can easily add analog inputs to the logger. The large range of IPETRONIK M modules for voltage, temperature, current, strain, and many other measurement input types can be conveniently connected. An integrated module power supply is included as well. Now I would like to highlight the final top product features. The Test Drive real-time operating program ensures data synchronity between all the measurement inputs and the onboard mass and statistic calculation. With Test Drive, you can perform many onboard mass and statistic calculations, like classifications for rainflow. Also, Test Drive is supporting advanced configuration options to trigger data storage and the wireless data transfer. And you can update the measurement program of the logger itself over the air from FTP servers as well. In conclusion, FleetlogII is a sophisticated logger to cover many demanding applications. I hope that presentation catches your interest and you get in touch with our sales engineers to get a live demonstration of the product. Thank you very much for your attention.